Everyone's Coach Julian, hope you're well. So what I'm about to show you is a double kettlebell alternating clean. So this is with the assumption you know how to do a basic clean with the kettlebell, you understand the rack position, your wrist is straight, timing, all that whole good stuff. Now let's assume you already have that down. What you're going to need now are a pair of weights, kettlebells that are equal. So for training purposes, I actually have two weights that are unequal. I do have a pair of equal weights, but they're a little bit too light. So I'm going to start, just to give you the idea. So we start from top to bottom. For this exercise, you can either do it for time or for reps. So I'll show you a front view. Again, we already know about the rack position. Our wrist is straight, and your kettlebell cleans are pretty mastered by now. So here I go. I drop one, and then I alternate. There it is. So left and right could be 1. You can say you're going to do 10. I'm going to show you a different view. Let me bring one down, drop, and I alternate. Or you can do that for time. Say for 30 seconds, you count how many you did. Regardless, I bet it's going to be an awesome cardio exercise for you. It's metabolic because we have resistance. And at the end of it, you are going to feel worked. So let me know what you think. Post your comments and don't forget to subscribe.